Alright, what's happening with your baby is Raj. Alright, this video we're gonna talk about how to trade Forex successfully for beginners. Alright, you just getting started on Forex. Alright, so I don't know where you at in the game, right? So look, I'm gonna tell you straight up, you gotta have a killer mindset. That's number one. Your mindset has to be that you're not trying to make money, right, for at least 1 year. Okay, now I know you're trading Forex right now because you need money, right? And I know you're getting it in because you gotta have money, you gotta make an income, you gotta replace an income, you're trying to get out your job, you just had a kid, you're trying to get some, whatever it is, right? For 1 year, I don't want you even thinking about making money. You have to learn the process. You gotta learn this game. Okay, and you're going to be learning every day. Now, will you be making money while you're learning? Of course you will. Of course you will. But just take that as a bonus. You understand? Take that as a bonus, right? You're going to make money regardless. Take that as a bonus. Now, when you lose money, right? So, what about when you lose money? When you take a L, you got to just take the L, right? You just got to take it. As part of the game. It's part of learning, right? So, you got to set up your MetaTrader 4. You got to set up a demo account. Please don't rush into a live account. Don't even deposit no money into your Forex broker. Don't put no money in your broker. Set up a demo account and run with that demo account for a couple weeks, right? See if you can flip your demo account. Now, you're going to need some training. Now, what kind of training can you get because you don't know how to do it? Listen, you need tools. Forex isn't just about reading the charts. You got to learn how to read the charts. And you can go all up and down YouTube and trying to find people that's going to teach you how to read the charts and how to get all this training. Dude, you're going to get lost in the maze because there's so many people teaching Forex, and there's so much money in it, right? There's money in teaching, there's money in selling the tools, and there's money in trading. Right? There's money all over the Forex game, man. And if you ain't in it and if you ain't getting it, hey, man, congratulations, man. You're in it right now, right? But you have to understand that Forex is crazy, man. And you have to get with a team and a community who knows how to win, who has a proven track record of winning, right? You're probably like, oh, I guess you know what that team is. Hey, I do. And if you hit that link, you will find the team, okay? I will show you exactly, right, how to take your Forex game, right? No matter where you are, I will take you from zero, right now where you are, to making 10 grand a month in Forex. And taking from that 10 grand to 100. Listen, I'm not going to talk no big numbers because I don't want to scare you away. I don't want to be like, nah, man, it's a scam. You can't do that. Dude, man, everything is a scam, man. The scams all over the place. But I'm telling you this. We have documented millionaires making money with this. People can change their lives. All right. So if you want to trade successfully with Forex, you need mentors. You need people who got a system, locked onto that system, use the tool successfully, and they now they're just trading Forex. It's like there's nothing to them now, right? So I just want you to take your time, stay focused, hit that link below. Watch this free presentation, this free video. I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to start trading successfully now, trading Forex, even if you just got started, right? You are going to become a beast. You're going to become the envy of all your friends, and everybody going to want to know, hey, man, how can I do what you do, right? And you can charge them for it. You can do whatever you want. But Forex, it is the vehicle that's going to change your life, all right? Yo, my name is Raj. And I'll definitely see you at the top, baby. Stay focused.